Welcome to our breakdown of Windsurf, the innovative web-based development tool that's making waves in the programming world. Let's examine how Windsurf stacks up against traditional integrated development environments. Windsurf includes unique features that challenge the conventions of IDEs, including built-in collaboration tools and seamless cloud integration. Performance is crucial in development. Let's dive into how Windsurf measures up in terms of speed and efficiency. User experience is pivotal. We'll compare how the interface and usability of Windsurf measure against traditional IDEs. One of Windsurf's greatest strengths is its ability to integrate with various development tools, streamlining the developer's workflow. Windsurf excels in specific scenarios. Let's explore the use cases where it truly shines compared to traditional IDEs. However, every tool comes with its limitations. Let's discuss what Windsurf can't do compared to its traditional counterparts. Hear from those who made the switch to Windsurf and how it has impacted their development processes. So, is Windsurf a viable alternative to your traditional IDE? Let's summarize the insights we've gathered.